Okay, I'm going to show you 6 different easy exercises that you can start working on today with no sheet music. We're going to use 70 beats per minute on our metronome. You can see my right hand is starting on middle C, my thumb, and then my left hand, my 5th finger, pinky, is on a C. Here we go. The first 3 are pretty simple, so I'm just going to do 2 of them each and then move on. Time. Now alternating C's. One more. The next one. Okay, so now we're on to the 4th exercise now, moving up and down the keys. This is just going to be white keys where we're just moving up and then back down. We're going to start at the same place. We play it like that, and then we shift up 1 set of white keys, and so on. I'll show you the whole thing. Ready, go. This is our last one. Now we go back down. Okay, now to the 5th one. So now we're going to start working on independence of our hands because, as you know, piano players, we want to be able to do different things at the same time with our hands. So now we're going to do left hand arpeggios. Let me explain that. Your right hand can stay where it's at. Your left hand is going to go down here, except now we're going to spread out and use our fingers 5, 3, 2, and 1 to play these notes, which are C, E, G, and another C. So what our left hand is going to be doing is we're going to be also walking up, and then we're just going to shift up to the next key. So we don't really need to worry about the music theory. These are just exercises. And then we shift up, and just like the last one, we're going to keep shifting up like that until we get back to C, which is 1 octave higher than where we started. With our right hand, we can pick any of the first 4 exercises that I show you. I'm going to use moving up and down the keys, the 4th one. So let's do it this way and I'll show you the whole exercise. And switch. Switch. Reverse the right hand. Notice the left hand is still doing the same pattern. And like I said, the right hand pattern that we're doing, you could pick any of those first 4 and it would sound good with what we're doing in the left hand. And now the last one, we're going to switch those. The left hand is going to do our exercise, which is 1 through 4 of the exercises I showed you. And then the right hand is now going to spread out to do the C, E, G, and C. And that's going to go like this. Ready, go. Last one. Now we go down. And that's all of them. So as you can imagine, you can come up with your own combination between the hands, and you have almost limitless options as far as how you can change the patterns and work with them. So I hope that helps. Leave a comment. Please subscribe if you like this video and want to get more free videos that can help you take your playing up to the next level. Thank you.